having to brace myself against the wind. We're in Palm Springs, approximately, sand is starting to hurt now. I'm going to go back behind this telephone pole here. Shelter. Anyway, we're about, maybe 2 miles south of Interstate 10. We are currently facing south here. I'll swing the camera around to the north. Now facing west. Telephone pole for shelter. And now we are about to face north here. We're now facing north. Interstate 10 is maybe a mile up the road. And of course, if you're on the bus or train and you come in, look at this. One of the first things you see is all those wonderful windmills. Look at that. As far as the eye can see. Pretty impressive. Continuing to the Amtrak Greyhound station here.